Do you want to boost your immune system naturally? In an age where health is of utmost importance, a robust immune system is your best defense against ill health. Our immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work in harmony to protect us from harmful pathogens. But did you know, the food we eat plays a pivotal role in shaping this defense mechanism? Yes, you heard that right. Nutrition is a key player in maintaining and strengthening our immune system. Feeding your body certain foods may help to keep your immune system robust. So let's embark on a journey to explore the power of nutrition and uncover 12 incredible foods that can help bolster your immune system. From fruits and vegetables to spices, we've got a flavorful ride waiting for you. Stay tuned to discover the 12 foods that will amp up your immune system. Number 1 on our list, citrus fruits. These tangy treats are packed with vitamin C, a key player in boosting your immune system. Vitamin C increases the production of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against infections. From the sweet, juicy oranges to the tart lemons, the refreshing grapefruits to the zesty limes, there's a citrus for every taste. So why wait? Add a splash of citrus to your diet and keep those colds at bay. Next up, we have red bell peppers. These vibrant veggies pack a punch when it comes to vitamin C content, surpassing even the citrus fruits we just discussed. That's right, red bell peppers are bursting with this essential nutrient, but that's not all. They are also rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in supporting a strong immune system. So, whether you're whipping up a stir-fry or adding a crunch to your salad, red bell peppers are a must. So don't forget to add some color and crunch to your meals with red bell peppers. Coming in at number 3 is the humble broccoli. Don't be fooled by its unassuming appearance. This little green tree packs a powerful punch. Overflowing with vitamins C, A, and E, not to mention a good dose of fiber, broccoli is a powerhouse for your immune system, and here's a tip for you. To maximize its health benefits, try to keep the cooking to a minimum. A little steam goes a long way. Remember, the key to keeping its power intact is to cook it as little as possible. Number 4 on our list is a kitchen staple, garlic. This pungent little powerhouse is renowned for its immune-boosting properties, largely due to its high concentration of sulfur-containing compounds. These compounds, including allicin, help your immune system fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Garlic also has the added benefit of giving your dishes a flavor punch. So whether it's in a sizzling stir-fry or a hearty soup, don't skip the garlic in your next meal for that immunity kick. Next up, we have a spicy immunity booster, ginger. This root is not only a great addition to your culinary repertoire, but it also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Ginger helps decrease inflammation, a common symptom of an immune response. It also works wonders to soothe a sore throat, another telltale sign of your body fighting off something nasty. So next time you're feeling under the weather, why not warm up with some ginger tea? Coming in at number 6, spinach. This leafy green is not just a cartoon favorite, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed with vitamin C, spinach is an excellent choice to help bolster your immune system. In addition, it contains numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, which may increase the infection-fighting ability of our immune systems. So, next time you're planning a meal, consider adding a handful of spinach. But here's a quick tip. Remember, spinach is healthiest when it's cooked as little as possible. Next, we have a probiotic powerhouse, yogurt. A daily spoonful of this creamy delight can do wonders for your immune system. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, the friendly bacteria that not only promote gut health but also play a critical role in boosting immunity. They help your body's natural defense system fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. But not all yogurts are created equal. To reap the full benefits, choose plain yogurts, particularly those tagged with live cultures. So, opt for plain yogurts with live cultures to get your probiotic fix. Number 8 on our list is a crunchy delight, almonds. Not only are they delicious, but they are also packed with vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning it requires the presence of fat to be absorbed properly. Almonds, as you might know, are chock full of healthy fats. Therefore, they're not just a source of vitamin E, but they also provide the perfect package for absorption. A handful of almonds a day can keep the doctor away. Coming up next, sunflower seeds. Now these tiny powerhouses are chock full of nutrients. They're rich in phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamin B6, making them excellent for overall health. But what sets them apart is their high content of vitamin E. This isn't just any vitamin, it's a potent antioxidant that combats harmful free radicals in our body. So, if you're looking for an immune system upgrade, don't overlook these little seeds. Sprinkle some sunflower seeds on your salad for an immunity boost. Next, we have a vibrant spice, turmeric. Renowned globally for its rich golden hue, turmeric is more than just a kitchen essential. The key component of this spice, curcumin, is a powerhouse of health benefits. It's a potent anti-inflammatory agent, helping to keep your body's defense mechanisms in top shape. Plus, it's an antioxidant superstar, combating harmful free radicals that can weaken the immune system. A simple way to boost your well-being is to integrate this spice into your meals. A dash of turmeric in your meal can do wonders for your immunity. Last but not least, green tea. This soothing beverage is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. This potent antioxidant is known to enhance the function of your immune system. Green tea is not just about the taste, it's also about promoting overall wellness. The EGCG in green tea helps to keep our immune system primed and ready to fight off intruders. So remember, when it comes to bolstering your immunity, every sip counts. So brew a warm cup of green tea for your health. And there you have it, 12 foods to boost your immune system. Let's take a quick recap. Citrus fruits, red bell peppers, broccoli, garlic, ginger, spinach, yogurt, almonds, sunflower seeds, turmeric, and green tea. Each of these power-packed foods, whether they're fruits, vegetables, or spices, plays a unique role in strengthening your immune system. From vitamin C-packed citrus fruits and red bell peppers to antioxidant-rich green tea and turmeric, these foods offer a natural way to keep your immune system in top shape. But remember, it's not about focusing on just one or two of these foods. The key to a robust immune system is a balanced and varied diet, complemented by a healthy lifestyle. So make it a point to incorporate these immune-boosting foods into your everyday meals. Subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos on health. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense.